Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload 3 times a week, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my uploads. So for today's video, I'm going to be turning my potato self into an e-girl. If you don't know what an e-girl is, it's a short term for an electronic girl because these girls spend too much time on the internet, I guess. I think they're just modern or like a 2020 version of an emo girl. I'm not sure, but yeah, they have like almost the same style. They have heavy makeup, especially their wing liner and their blush from their cheeks to nose, everything. So yeah, I'm going to be transforming myself into an e-girl. I'll do like the whole thing, the hair, the makeup, the outfit. So I'll do my makeup first and then I'll show you the whole look once it's done, like with the hair and the outfit. So let's jump right into it. My face is already clean and moisturized. My hands are clean. So I'm going to start with my primer. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Bright Transformer. I'm going to be using this much and I'm going to apply this all over my face. So after that, I'm now going to put on foundation. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation. This is in the shade 113 Nude Ivory. I'm just going to give this a little shake. And then I'm going to use like a 1.5 pump. And I'm going to put this all over my face using a damp beauty blender. Just going to apply like so. And then once it's all over my face, I'm going to blend it all out using a dabbing motion. Like so. So now that our foundation, my foundation is all blended out, I'm now going to put on concealer. I'm going to use my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and this is in the shade Medium 1 Custard. I'm going to put this under my eyes to conceal those bags. We don't want those. And on the bridge of my nose. I don't know why, I just do. And on my forehead. Maybe to highlight, I guess. I just copy what I watch on YouTube. So yeah. I'm going to put some on my chin as well. I get a lot of like dark spots on my chin. I hate it. And I'm going to put some on my lids to prime them for eyeshadow. And then using the same damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend this all out using a dabbing motion. So now that our my concealer is all blended out, I'm now going to set my face. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. I'm just going to give it a little shake. Open the babe. Ooh, too much shake. I'm just going to get like some of the product on the lid. And then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and like swirl it around the lid. Give it a little tap. And then set. Ooh, too much. But yeah. So now that our face is set, my face is set, I'm now going to do my brows. I'm going to start with my K Palette One Day Tattoo Lasting 3-Way Eyebrow Pencil. I'm going to start with the pencil first and I'm going to outline the shape of my brows. I'm just going to follow the natural shape of my brows. My brows are wild right now, like I haven't done them yet. But yeah, after like doing the outline of the shape, I'm going to brush my brows and then I'm going to fill them in with powder. I'm going to use my Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. This is in the shade Medium Brown. Just going to dip it into the like dark shade on here and then fill in my brows. and then do some more brushing. And I'm just going to do the same on my other brow. So now that my brows are done, I know they're not perfect, but they're looking pretty good. I'm now going to start doing my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Sweet Top palette, and I'm going to be starting with this shade. This is called Dream Maker. It's this very cute pink shade. I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to put this all over my lids. I'm going to start with the outer corner, working my way in, like so. I'm just going to use a circular motion. I'm just going to do the same on here. After that, I'm going to be taking this shade. This is called Meadow. It's also a pink shade, just a little bit darker than the first one that I used. I'm just going to do the same thing, buff and blend this all over my lid. Starting from the outer corner, working my way in, using a circular motion. Like so. After that, I'm going to be taking a more precise fluffy brush, or a tapered fluffy brush, and I'm going to take this shade. It's darker than the second one that I used, and I'm going to focus this on my outer my outer corner. This shade is called I See Me, I don't know, but yeah. So I'm going to focus it on my outer V and dragging it a little bit onto my crease, like so. Looking good. Feeling good, like I should. There. After that, using my finger, I'm going to take this shade. It's a shimmer shade, pink shimmer shade. This is called Garden Date. And I'm going to put this on the center of my lid and on my inner corner, like on here. Like so. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend this. After that, I'm going to be taking a small packer brush, and I'm going to take this glitter or shimmer shade. It's called Side to Side. It's actually my favorite shade from the Sweet Top palette. As you can see, she's bit up. She's been bitten up. I don't know. She looks like she went to war. But yeah, I'm going to take this and put this on my inner corners, like so, for that shining, shimmering inner corner effect. Shining, shimmering, it's splendid. I'm just going to add some more because I'm extra like that. I'm going to drag it a little bit onto my lower lash line, like so, like that. After that, I'm now going to put on wing liner, and this is the Uzu Eye Opening Liner, and this is in the shade Black. I'm just going to do a wing line, and I'm not going to like make it as thin because e-girls like love thick liners. I think that's good enough. I think it's really big. And if you're confused why my eyeliner looks like that, it's because this is how it looks like with my eyes open and looking straight, because I have hooded eyes, but when I close my eyes it looks like that. So I'm just going to do the same on my other eye, but I'm going to do it off camera because that's just too much pressure. So they're not perfect, but if I fixed it somewhere and try to make them like super similar, I'm going to end up looking like a panda, so we're fine with this. So now I'm going to put on my magnetic eyeliner. This is from Globnetic, and I'm going to use a magnetic eyelash, fake lashes. So this is V-Lash. So this is my favorite lash. So I'm just going to put on the liquid magnetic eyeliner first, so that the magnetic lashes has something to stick onto, you know. I'm just giving this a little shake and apply like so. Now that I have my magnetic eyeliner on, I'm now going to stick my magnetic lashes on there. So I'm just going to stick them right on like so. Gorgeous. Now the other one, another one. I'm just making sure no sides are like sticking up. There. Can you see? You can barely see them because of like the liner. Should I use a different lash, like a more dramatic one? So this is a more dramatic lash. I think I like it better than this one, so I'm going to change. This is the Lavish Lash, and it's from Globnetic as well. This is actually not like equal. This has 6 magnets on it, and the other one only has 5 because I cut it. I'm stupid. So they don't look equal, but that's okay. I'm just going to put mascara on on the ends here to make it look more equal. I'm going to use my Monsieur Big Lancome mascara, and I'm just gonna do the ends right here. So now let's move on with blush. So for my blush, I'm going to be using Jouer. This is the blush duo. This is in the shade Rose Gold. This is called Marigold, and this is called Rose Petal. I'm going to be using both. I'm going to focus Marigold on like the outer part of my cheek, like on here, and then I'm going to use like Rose Petal on like here. They like very heavy blush. So, and I'm going to like connect it to my eye makeup like so. That looks crazy. I'm going to take my beauty blender because I think I've put it like too far down, and I don't want to bring my face down. Now with a different brush, I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to put it on here and on my nose. I'm just going to build that up. And I'm going to put some on my chin as well. I'll just go and continue building this up until I get the look that I like. They're looking good. So now I'm going to finish my eye look. I'm going to back with the shade Meadow, this shade, and I'm going to use this under my lower lash line. And going back with my Monsieur Big Mascara from Lancome, I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. Like so. After that, I'm going back with my eyeliner, and then I'm going to draw 2 little hearts under my eyes. Cute! Okay. I'm just going to do the same here, but I'm going to do it off camera because it's too much pressure, girl. I need to concentrate. So this is how it looks like. Super cute. This is like doing your wing liner. Like the more you try to make it look identical, the bigger it gets. But yeah, it looks cute, I guess. I don't know. Like, for someone doing this for the first time, I think I did an okay job. So now I'm going to put on lipstick. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. And this is in the shade American Woman. And I'm just going to put this on my lips. For my highlight, I'm going to use Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. And I'm going to use the pink shade. This is called Blush Pink. I'm just going to take a brush and put this on the tops of my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. There, so this is the makeup look. I'm just going to do my hair and change into my outfit, and I'll be right back for the finished look. So guys, this is the outfit. I just put on like a choker, and I have a like striped long sleeve, and I put a baggy like t-shirt on top, and I used a like high-waisted shorts, and this is my shoe. This is the shoe that I'm wearing. It's so hard to show the shoe. But yeah, this is the outfit. I decided to do space buns for my hair because like e-girls like doing space buns and pigtails, and usually they have colored hair. I don't, but I do have colored like ponytail extensions. I have this too, and e-girls like the half and half look, like they have different hair colors. So I'm going to try and put this on, and I'll be right back. So you guys, I'm so happy about this look. This is what it looks like when I have my ponytail extensions on. It's super cute and e-girly, like I love it. Like, look at that. Look at me. So this is the final look, and also like e-girls love to do this thing, and I really want to try doing it because just for this video and some personal reasons, I want to see if I would look good on it with this makeup on, because without makeup on I just look crazy and disgusting. But yeah, let me go ahead and try it. And if you're like familiar with e-girls, then you know e-girls like doing this. So I'm gonna go ahead in 3, 2, 1. Tongue out, tongue out. Oh my god, that was so awkward. I'm so sorry about that. Imagine a world where you could just go outside looking like this and no one would judge you. Imagine a world like that. But yeah, this is super cute. I love it. I like it. I'm just right here living my e-girl dreams. Wow, I really like being an e-girl. I don't want to take this off anymore. Yeah. So what do you guys prefer? Do you like it with just the space buns or with the ponytail extensions on? I think these are too thick, but I also think they look really good. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what else you want to see for my future videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.